everyone, it's Yubi. The box you're seeing in front of me contains a smartwatch which costs only $15. Its name is called me P8 and today I'll be unboxing it. Front of this box contains the picture of the watch and the branding. At the right side there are some feature highlights and smartwatch is written at the left side. Bottom side has a QR code for the app and spec highlights. Now let's open this box. Firstly, we get the smartwatch. Mine is in grey color. It's also available in black color too. Then we get a charging dock. Lastly, we get a user manual which is in both Chinese and English language. That's all we get in this box. I'm planning to do a long-term review of this watch. If you don't want to miss that video, make sure you click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And here comes the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So bye and see you again at the next one.